1960 Duntov Awarded, 98, almost 99 point top flight. Car has no less than 7 top flight awards. Everything from chapter to regional and national meets. Performance verified, just a real high-end restored car that is as far as you can go with NCRS. Real big brake, fuel injection car. Glossy rear. Real 5.5-inch wheels on it. Everything. Just not gonna find one better detailed than this, or is awarded. Brakes. Nice body up in all the fenders. Don't find them like this very often. Don't miss out. Won't get much cleaner than this. Wind tag. Fuel unit was restored by John DeGregory, the best fuel injection unit guy in the business. I'll find one any better than this, promise. Duntov Awarded, big brake, 60 fuel. New arrival. Got it detailed up, getting ready to go live on Bring a Trailer in the next couple of weeks. Super killer body off restored, NCRS Duntov Awarded, 7-time top flight, big brake fuel. That's how they should work. I'm gonna find a nicer one, guys. Don't miss out on this. Real big brake, Duntov Awarded, Fuelie, 1960. Car is absolutely stunning. Will not find a nicer. Real 5.5-inch wheels, everything. Real motor, real car. Nice super fun. Big Brake Fuelie. 7 Top Flight Awards, Fuelie Duntov Awarded. As far as you can go at the NCRS. This car, you won't find a better one.